Piny owacho otenore kod riwruoge mag oganda mar jiwo yore mag mbui manyasani kaachiel kod keyo thuolo mag yore mag mbui ne joma ok nyalo yudogi e yo mayot.
E romo mar ndadek manobagi Siaya mar lalruok e weche mag mulo dongruok e yo manyasani, jolony omedo jiwo duondgi e wi keto mbui obed ne jopiny mayot yudo.
E romono ma bende ne otimore gwenge mag Kala, apisas mag Sirkal kod riwruoge ji giwegi oyango ni tudruok mar teko mbui mar Wi-Fi medo yudo huma kendo jopiny medo yude e kor gwenge.
To academy and becomes the center for all the community networks.
There's no traditional medicine in the gurus who are there.
We are out to support anyone who's ready to support this cause of government. Together with that, the 100,000 kilometers of fiber that's been rolled out across the country is really to support some of these efforts, because you realize the community networks that we're talking about today go deep to the grassroots and meet with the people. And we realize that as government working with them, they become our ally in getting the public to benefit from this. So out of the 100,000, 52,000 is for government to roll out. And even as you are rolling out the 52,000, government can only get up to certain points. But it might be a challenge for government to get to every home, to every center, to every, and that is why what the community networks are doing really helps us cascade that journey to make these 100,000 kilometers of fiber useful and add value.
So we have the community engagement, which is a key component with the community networks that we are celebrating today. Because when you engage the community, while you are mobilizing and sensitizing them, they are able to know that the hotspot that is placed at the market can actually benefit them.